Assalamualaikum dear friends and viewers. How are you all? I hope all of you are well and having a nice time. Today I am going to make this attractive and delicious recipe which name is Falooda. I have taken this Falooda mix from Radhani brand and it's vanilla flavor because I like vanilla flavor. There is 3 different packs inside of it which carries 3 different ingredients like red and green jello and Falooda mix. Now I'll take less than 1 cup water in this pan. Then I'll add the red jello. Now I need to boil it. You can see it's perfectly boiled and now I'm going to pour it into a little bowl. Then I need to cool it and store it in the fridge for some time. I'll repeat the same process for this green jello. And now I need to boil 1 liter milk. After boiling, I will add here the Falooda mix. At this point, I have to stir constantly. As a result, the milk and Falooda mix will not stick. It will be ready after few minutes. When you can feel it has become little thicker than first, you need to take off it from the gas. You can see the thickness of my batter. Now I will freeze it for some time. Here, I will cut some grapes. I will also cut some apple slice and bananas. I have also taken half part of dragon fruit and I will cut it into square shape. After arranging all the fruit ingredient, I will take out the red gel from the fridge. Here I will also cut it into square shape. At the same way, I will cut the green gel. I have taken 2 glasses and already set the bottom of the glasses with Falooda. You can see I am adding red gel here. Now I will coat it with another layer of Falooda. This time I will add some grapes. After that I will add the apple slice. And I will coat it again with Falooda. After coating, I will add the green gel here. Now I will add the bananas here. After that I will coat it again and continue the same process. Now in this part I am going to add the special ingredient which is ice cream. I'm adding some dragon slice. I'll also add some peanuts here. Now I'll add the rest of the dragon fruits and grapes over the ice cream. Here my decoration is almost done. I'm adding a little bit ice cream over them to look more beautiful. Here you can see how colorful and delicious it is. If you guys like this video then please follow me and of course like, comment and share. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.